Hi, this is Chad. In this episode, I'm going to teach you on how to solve addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. So, what are dissimilar fractions? Dissimilar fractions are the type of fractions that have different denominators, just like this. So, for our number one problem, its denominators are not the same. As you can see, they are 8 and 5. And so, for our number two problem, they are 6 and 12. And so for number 3 and number 4, they have different denominators. So these are called dissimilar fractions. So how to solve addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions? So I will teach you two methods. So the first method is to convert these dissimilar fractions into similar fractions. How? By finding its least common denominator or LCD. And by finding the LCD, let's have to find its LCM or least common multiple. Now, the least common multiple of 8 and 5 is 40. So, we make two fractions here. So, since this is addition, let's have plus here and another line here. So, the common denominator for 8 and 5 is 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5 times 3 is 15. Now 40 divided by 5 is 8, then times 4 it's 32. Now since these fractions have the same denominator, so let's just copy the denominator, which is 40. Then let's add this numerator. 15 plus 32 is 47. So this is now the answer. Now, how about the second method? Now, the second method is called the crisscross method. So, what we are going to do is to cross multiply this numerator to this denominator. So, 3 times 5, it's 15. Then plus, then again, crisscross or cross multiplication. 4 times 8 is 32. Alright. Then multiply these denominators, 8 times 5. So 8 times 5 is 40. Now 15 plus 32 is 47. And copy the denominator, which is 40. Now, the method here and the method here have the same result. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. 5 over 6 plus 7 over 12. Okay, let's use the LCD method. Now, the least common denominator for 6 and 12 is 12 because 12 is the least common multiple of 6 and 12. So 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 5, it's 10. 12 divided by 12 is 1 times 7 is 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17, and copy the common denominator, which is 12. So this is now the answer. Again, let's check the second method, the crisscross method. We multiply 5 and 12. So 5 times 12 is 60. Then plus 7 times 6 is 42. Then 6 times 12 is 72. Now 60 plus 42 is 102. Divided by, copy the denominator, which is 72. Now 102 and 72, its greatest common factor is 6. So let's divide this fraction by 6 over 6. 102 divided by 6 is 17. 72 divided by 6 is 12. So we have the same answer, right? Then let's proceed to subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Again, let's use this LCD method. Now, the LCD of 9 and 5 denominators is 45 because the LCM of 9 and 5 is simply 45. 45 divided by 9 is 5 times 8 is 40. minus 45 divided by 5 is 9 times 2, it's 18. Now 40 minus 18 is 22. Then copy the denominator, which is 45. So this is now our answer. Now let's try the crisscross method. 8 times 5 is 40 minus 2 times 9 is 18. Then 9 times 5 is 45. Then 40 minus 18 is 22 over 45. So this is our answer. So they are just the same, right? Then lastly, our problem number 4, 7 over 10 minus 4 over 7. So let's use the LCD method. So the LCD of 10 and 7 is simply 70, because the least common multiple of 10 and 7 is 70. 70 divided by 10 is 7 times 7 is 49. 70 divided by 7 is 10 times 4 is 40. Now 49 minus 40 is just 9. Then copy the common denominator, which is 70. So this is now our answer. And let's use the crisscross method. So we cross multiply 7 and 7 is 49 minus 4 times 10 is 40. Then 10 times 7 is 70. Now 49 minus 40 is just 9. And copy the denominator, which is 70. And this is our answer. So basically, they are just the same. So which do you think is the easier method of solving addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions? Comment down below and see you next time.